गोंयचो दाबोळी अंतरराष्ट्रीय विमानतळ नौदला कडेन आसा. आपणाक जाय तेन्ना दाबोळी विमानतळ नौसेना वापरता. मात त्या मुखार वचून नौदळान आतां आपली परवानगी घेयनासतना 20 किलोमिटरा भितर कसलेंच बांदकाम करपाक मेळचें ना अशें कळयल्ल्यान थळावो आमदार तशेंच गोंयचो मंत्री माविन गुदिन्होन तिडक उक्तायल्या. नौदळ देशाच्या सुरक्षेच्या नदरेन बरें काम करता, त्या खातीर तांचो मान राखप गरजेचें. पूण तांणी गोंयाचेर कब्जो करप योग्य न्ही. तांणी आपल्या मर्यादेन रावचें. विमानतळा सरभोंवतणी 20 किलोमिटरान लोकांक घरां बांदपाक मेळना जाल्यार हांगसरल्या लोकांनी वचप खंय असो प्रश्न मंत्री माविन गुदिन्होन केला.
Now, surprisingly, they are coming out with a proposal that 20 kilometers around the radius of the airport, as the crow flies, there will not be any building which can be high-rise. That means what the Goans will do? Where will they go and build? And they have to take permission of Navy. Is it the effort of the Navy, or is it their ploy to come and rule the Goans? We have an elected government here. We are in a democracy, and they should realize that they should be, while they should be within their rights, they should also protect civilian interests. Anybody out of their mind will recommend that 20 kilometers around the radius of an airport you can't have any development, or you can have development only with one-story building. Can it happen in Goa, which is such a half a size of a district in bigger states or even moderate states like Karnataka or your neighbor Maharashtra? How can Navy think in those terms? Just because we salute them, we respect them, we worship them literally for protecting the country, it does not mean that they should consider themselves a holy cow and totally go against the public's or civilian interest. How can they in their right mind recommend 20 kilometers? I am a MLA from this area. I cannot allow my area to become totally out of bounds for the civilians. Where will the civilians go? Mounting population everywhere. We don't have land to build houses, and they want to say you cannot build anything. In what world are we living? Taking a very strong view. We cannot allow us to be ruled by the Navy. Imagine going around 20 kilometers, means right up till Agasain as the crow fly. On the other side it is right up till Donapal. Right, even Donapal is covered as the 20 kilometers if you say. And you go south and you see where it will go 20 kilometers. Means all this is going to be under the Navy's domain. To build a house you have to ask NOC, and you know how difficult it is to get inside their gates for the common man. And they have to go and apply and get NOC. Ridiculous. I hope they realize what they are doing.
नौदळ दक्षिणी गोंय पिळयेकय मान दिना. तांणी अजून आपलो आराखडो दिल्लो ना. आतां तर तांणी गोंयचेर कब्जो करपाचो प्रयत्न चलयला. नौदळाचें चडत जावपाक लागला. मुखेलमंत्री प्रमोद सावंतान हातूंत लक्ष घालचें अशी मागणी मंत्री माविन गुदिन्होन केल्या.
The Goa Planning and Development Authority, of which I am also a member, being a MLA from this area, has been asking them plans. They have not been given, till today they have not given the plans as to what they are saying. They will have certain color zones as to how much you can develop, what is the height you can have. Till today they have not submitted. They are saying, no, we can give you only a soft copy, you can come and view the soft copy. Is this the way to deal with important issues? I have requested the Honorable Chief Minister, call all the agencies, and this matter by accident it has also figured in the High Court, where they have to give their response. So on 22nd a meeting has been convened by the Honorable Chief Minister, where Navy also will be called, all other agencies will be called.
वास्कोचो आमदार कार्लोसानय नौदळान काडिल्ल्या आदेशाचेर तिडक उक्तायल्या. खरें म्हळ्यार जिल्लो अधिकाऱ्यान पळोवणी करच्या पयलीं नोटीस धाडप जिल्लो अधिकाऱ्याची चूक आसा.
एक्चुअली कलेक्टरान इन्क्वायरी करपाक पयली कलेक्टरान चूक आहा हिंगा. कलेक्टरान हिंगा पयली इन्क्वायरी करपाक कितली कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी इफेक्ट जाता. 20 किलोमीटर वयता हिंगसान फोंडे अप टू बदल फोंडा वालपय देखून जाता इफेक्ट. म्हाका दिसता आय थिंक दिस इज टोटली रॉंग. आतां नेवीन चेंज करपा जाय, विथड्रॉ करपाक सर्क्युलर. आयज बारीक लोकांक त्रास जाता हिंगा. वास्को आख्खे सगळे फायली ब्लॉक आहे. वास्को सोड अप टू इवन वालपय फायली वचल्यो पेंडिंग टू अप्रुवल because this 20 kilometer ban.
No authority, even the armed forces and the Navy in particular, with all due respect, I want to say that no authority should take Goa and its people for granted. we know how to fight for our rights. We are not slaves of anybody. We are very much the citizens of this great country. And we want to remain that way and enjoy the freedom that is our birthright.
नोटिसी न्यायालयाच्या आदेशाप्रमाण काढल्या. मुरगांव पिडयेकय नोटीस धाडल्या. त्या संबंधान मुखेलमंत्री प्रमोद सावंताक कळयला. तांणी ह्या संबंधान बसका घेवपाचें थारायला अशें आमदार तशेंच मुरगांव पिडयेचो अध्यक्ष क्लाफासियो डायसान सांगला.
As per my knowledge, it is a High Court order. जेन्ना आमचे 10 तारखेक मिटींग फिक्स केल्ली एज ए ऑल मेंबर, सो आमगे मेंबर सेक्रेटरीन तो रिपोर्ट हायकोर्ट ऑर्डर दाखयली आनी तेजेर क्लियरली मेन्शन केलो आसा सुमार 20 किलोमिटर द रेडियस फ्रॉम एअरपोर्ट नो डेव्हलपमेंट. सो एश कोण जालें जाल्यार हें 20 किलोमिटर म्हळ्यार आमगे मडगांव पावलें रेडियस आनी तेणी पणजे पावलें. सो हें सारकें ना म्हाका दिसता एज आय फील. सो आमी सीएमान 22 तारखेर कॅबिनेट दवरल्या मिटींग अलॉंग विथ चीफ सेक्रेटरी आनी नेवी मनशांक इनवायट करता आमी उलोवपाक तेजेर आनी ते कन्सर्न मिनिस्टर आनी सीएम घेवन आनी मागीर 4 तारखे नोव्हेंबराचें हियरींग आसा हायकोर्टान. दुसरे एडवोकेट आमी हें केला. सो हेजेर आतां तितली फायल येता म्हजें बरें सगळे आमगे बिल्डर जावं वॉटेवर जावं इंडिविज्युअल कोण गोरकाड्या बंगले करात ते येताय आनी सो आमच्यान दिवपा जायना अनलेस तांगे क्लियरन्स मेळपा. ताका लागून सगळे होल्ड दवरला आनी सगळे डेव्हलपमेंट सद्या स्टॉप जाला इन मर्मुगांव PDA. सो हेजेर आमी कित्याक म्हूण काडले काल मॉविनांनी ऑलरेडी दिलो आसा, तेणें फुली सपोर्ट केलो आसा. तें रॉंग म्हूण नेवीचें कितें दिलें जाल्यार आमगे गोवा इज अ स्मॉल स्टेट आनी तें अशें कोन्न हितू वयर तर हितू तेणें दाखयलें जाल्यार तें आनी डेव्हलपमेंट आनी जावपाचें ना गोंयांत. सो दुसरे स्टेटीक कोता येता तेंगे व्हडली स्टेट तेंगे आमगे एक डिस्ट्रीक्ट म्हळ्यार तेंगे एक बेस हेंशें बारीक गांव हेसो. सो ते भशेन हें जावपाक नाका आनी हेजेर फूल हांव सीएमा कडेन उलयलां आनी तेजेर निर्णय जातलो.